Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Notes. Today's topic of my notes is The Tiger and the Deer, written by Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo is one of the supreme master in Indian English literature. His poetry may be divided into two groups, that is poetry of action and poetry of meditation. He is not only a poet but also a philosopher, short story writer and dramatist. He gives charming descriptions of nature in his writings. Savitri is the epic written by Aurobindo. It marks the culmination of his poetic career. Aurobindo's short poem The Tiger and the Deer is a didactic poem. It is a contrast between good and evil, innocence and experience, and life and death. The poem begins with the description of the tiger. The tiger crouches and slouches brilliantly through the green forest. It has gleaming eyes, mighty chest, and soft, soundless paws. Brilliant crouching, slouching, what crept through the green heart of the forest, gleaming eyes and mighty chest and soft, soundless paws of grandeur of murder. Generally, people are afraid of the tiger. They hate it because it is rough and dangerous. In the poem, the world of tiger stands for death, darkness, and arrogance. The innocent deer drinks water from the great pool in the forest. It is unaware of the tiger's plan to attack. The tiger crouches slowly to attack the deer. The great beast crouched and crept and crept and crouched a last time, noiseless, fatal. Then the fierce tiger has leaped up over the deer and torn it into pieces. The deer died pathetically, thinking about its mate, destroyed the mild, harmless beauty by the strong, cruel beauty in nature. The deer in the poem suggests innocence. The deer in the poem suggests innocence, softness, and love. The killing of the deer by the tiger suggests the death and destruction of healthy values of life by the cruelty of modern civilization. The poet closes the poem with a note of optimism. He says that in spite of the various blows of death and darkness, life is a thing to be enjoyed. Sufferings are not eternal. He teaches the lesson that those who harm others will be destroyed like a mammoth. The mammoth shook the plain of Asia once upon a time, but it is extinct now. Since the tiger kills and harms other animals, the same fate of mammoth would come to it. But then the deer would drink without any fear in the cool ponds of the forest. The poet beautifully tells, the mighty perish in their might, the slam survive the slayer. Thus the poem expresses the poet's longing for a peaceful and harmless world. So friends, this is my notes on The Tiger and the Deer. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And please don't forget to press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.